Physical distancing is the best way to stop the spread of COVID-19, but wearing a non-medical mask or face covering has some benefits. Around the world, people are making their own face coverings to wear when they're in stores or anywhere else they may possibly come into contact with people. Wearing a non-medical covering isn't to protect yourself from COVID, though. It's to protect others from you. When you sneeze or cough or even speak, tiny drops of water called droplets come out of your mouth and nose. The covering holds those droplets in, so they don't get shared with people around you. Wearing a covering is a good thing for keeping your community safe. If you have a face covering on, it can also be a great reminder to not touch your face when you're out. But it comes with potential risks too, because wearing a covering can make us feel like we're more protected than we really are. Remember, a face covering or mask doesn't make it safe to hang out with people outside the home or to be with others for anything other than the essentials. And coverings can feel awkward and uncomfortable, and that can be dangerous if you're touching your mask to adjust it, or to remove and replace it, for example, to talk to people when you're out for essential errands. That means you're touching your face, so much more than you would without a covering on. That's risky, and so you need to be super aware of it and very careful. If you want to make your own face mask or covering, we have some great videos showing how easy it is at our government website. Once you've made your covering, here are some tips to use it as safely as possible. Wash your hands before putting your covering or mask on. You should put your covering on and remove it when you're done using the elastics or ties that go around your ears or the back of your head. Don't touch your covering to adjust it or remove it while you're out of the house. Once it's on, let it be. If you need to remove your covering while you're out, place it in a plastic bag to be brought home later. Use a new covering each time. Don't remove it and put it back on without cleaning it first. When you're done with the covering, it will need to be washed. It can go in your regular laundry, but make sure you wash with hot water. And finally, after removing your covering, make sure to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Be safe out there. Masicho for doing your part.